The house has given us so many memories. You're right, we should build a new home where we can create new memories.
Let's design a place that feels like us. We need a huge house. We need a place that feels like home.
I want big windows where we can see the mountains every morning, and a cozy kitchen where we can make memories together. We built so many memories here.
This house protected us for years. Now it's time to create something new.
Let's build a home that keeps these feelings alive.
Today is the first step toward our dream home.
I hope we can create a place that feels warm and peaceful. Let's find the right people.
Let's find the right people and make it happen.
I can't believe we're finally starting this project.
Finding the right contractor is the first big step.
I hope our new home becomes a place full of memories.
Welcome! Tell me about your dream mountain home. Something modern, but connected to nature.
Big windows and a home full of memories.
And a beautiful kitchen where everyone can gather.
Your dream home will take careful planning. We can combine modern design with the beauty of the mountains.
Even if it takes a little more time,
The details matter.
feel warm and peaceful. And we want
The complete project will require a bigger investment.
It's more than we planned.
But we can do it together. We'll build it step by step.
Let's start this journey.
Everything is ready. My team will begin the work soon.
Thank you. We are trusting you with our dream. We want this house to feel peaceful. We're excited to see it become real.
I promise we'll give it our best. All right, everyone. It feels amazing to finally see this happening.
This place will become our dream home.
We can't wait to see every little detail come together.
Today, we start with the foundation.
Take your time and do it properly.
We brought some tea and water.
Thank you.
We are building this home together.
The foundation is key. It makes the house stand strong.
We truly appreciate your hard work.
Our dream is becoming real. We are getting so much closer.
This will be a beautiful house. The foundation is strong. Now your dream home is finally taking shape.
I can already imagine our life here.
These windows will bring the mountains right into our home. We are creating something special together.
The roof will protect us from rain and snow.
This shape makes it all feel real.
I imagine mornings with this view.
This place will be full of happiness. Thank you for taking care of us. The structure is almost complete. Now we can bring personality to life.
Standing here's different from imagining it. We'll wake up to this view every morning. I can see this place filled with happiness.
The finishing touches are coming together beautifully.
Thank you all.
It finally feels like our dream is becoming real. I can't wait to fill this home with beautiful memories.
Congratulations. Today your house truly begins to feel like a
I've
home.
imagined this moment for so long. I love how warm and peaceful everything feels.
Every room has its own special feeling. Everything is finished. Your home is ready.
This is even more beautiful than we imagined. Every room feels warm.
Thank you so much. It has been an honor. Congratulations. Your dream home is now officially yours.
We'll never forget everything you've done for us. Thank you for building this place with so much care.
It was a pleasure working with all of you.
We finally have a place that feels like home. Every corner reminds us of our journey.
We built this together, and this is just the beginning.